In this video you will discover 10 main causes why men lose an erection, and a guaranteed way to correct it. This information is based on science and medicine. Number 1. Physical health factors. Men may lose erections due to underlying physical health issues such as cardiovascular disease or diabetes. Seeking medical attention is crucial. Doctors can provide treatments to manage these conditions, including medication, lifestyle changes, and, in some cases, surgery. Adopting a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress levels can also help improve overall physical health and potentially alleviate erectile dysfunction. Number 2. Psychological factors. Stress, anxiety, and depression can negatively impact erectile function. Seeking therapy or counseling to address underlying psychological issues can be beneficial. Techniques such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, or mindfulness meditation can help manage stress and anxiety. Open communication with partners about feelings and concerns may also alleviate psychological pressure during sexual encounters. Number 3. Medication side effects can cause a man to lose an erection. If medications are causing erectile dysfunction, it's essential to discuss alternative options with a healthcare provider. In some cases, adjusting the dosage or switching to a different medication with fewer sexual side effects may be possible. It's crucial never to stop taking prescribed medication without consulting a doctor first. Number 4. Lifestyle choices can cause a man to lose an erection. Men can take proactive steps to improve erectile function by adopting healthier lifestyle habits. Quitting smoking, moderating alcohol consumption, and avoiding illicit drugs can positively impact sexual health. Engaging in regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can also support overall well-being and erectile function. Number 5. Relationship issues can cause a man to lose an erection. Addressing relationship conflicts and improving communication with partners is essential. Couples therapy or counseling may help resolve underlying issues and strengthen the relationship. Building emotional intimacy, expressing affection, and exploring new ways to connect intimately can help reduce stress and anxiety related to sexual performance. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and give us a like. Comment and share with us your favorite health tip. This will allow YouTube to show this video to a lot more people. Thanks for your support. Number 6. Fatigue and sleep disorders can cause a man to lose an erection. Prioritizing sleep hygiene and seeking treatment for sleep disorders can improve erectile function. Creating a consistent sleep schedule, avoiding caffeine and electronics before bedtime, and creating a comfortable sleep environment can promote better sleep quality. Treating sleep apnea or other sleep disorders with interventions like continuous positive airway pressure, CPAP, therapy can also alleviate symptoms of ED. Number 7. Age-related changes can cause a man to lose an erection. While age-related changes are inevitable, men can maintain sexual health by adopting healthy habits and seeking medical guidance when needed. Regular checkups with a healthcare provider can help monitor hormone levels and address any underlying health issues promptly. Engaging in regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy diet, and managing stress levels can mitigate the effects of aging on erectile function. Number 8. Underlying medical conditions can cause a man to lose an erection. Treating underlying medical conditions such as neurological disorders or hormonal imbalances is essential for managing erectile dysfunction. Working closely with healthcare providers to develop a comprehensive treatment plan is crucial. This may include medication, lifestyle modifications, physical therapy, or surgical interventions, depending on the specific condition. Number 9. Performance anxiety can cause a man to lose an erection. Men experiencing performance anxiety can benefit from relaxation techniques and strategies to manage stress. Deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, and mindfulness meditation can help calm the mind and body before sexual activity. Building confidence through positive self-talk and focusing on pleasure rather than performance can also alleviate anxiety during intimate moments. Number 10. Lack of physical activity can cause a man to lose an erection. Incorporating regular exercise into daily routines can improve cardiovascular health and erectile function. Engaging in aerobic exercises such as brisk walking, jogging, or cycling can enhance blood flow and circulation throughout the body, including the genitals. Strength training exercises targeting pelvic floor muscles may also improve erectile strength and endurance. These are 10 known reasons as to why a man could lose an erection and 10 proven, guaranteed ways to correct the problem. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and give us a like. Comment and share with us your favorite health tip. This will allow YouTube to show this video to a lot more people. Thanks for your support.